The rain begins to fall softly over the forest. Pandi steps out, catches a raindrop, and grins. Rain dance time. He jumps into a puddle, plip-plop. His ears wiggle to the beat. Squirrels drum on logs, birds chirp on rhythm, and rabbits hop in like backup dancers. The whole forest joins the groove. Pandi spins proudly, spins too fast, and slides straight into a bush. He pops out with leaves on his head, smiles confidently, then leaps into the biggest puddle. Slow-mo splash. Everyone cheers. Like, follow and subscribe for more Pandi adventures.